Wow. What another great performance. You know what, Anna?
¿Qué, María?
We don't have any more acts left tonight. I guess we have to say goodbye now.
No, todo se fue muy rápido. Qué triste. Quiero ver más.
Well, I am afraid for tonight we don't have anything more to present. But there is always next year.
Oh sí, espero que estemos aquí para presentar el show el próximo año también. Me encantaría hacer algo como cantar o lo que sea.
Well, everyone, No Shea Latina now comes to a close. We hope you learned tons of interesting facts about Latinos in the U.S. I enjoyed the performances put on by our fellow students. And I ate some delightful snacks.
Sí, como tacos. ¿Y a mí?
Yes, Anna, like tacos. Let's give a round of applause to all of our actors, presenters, and the Hispanic Heritage Council for making this all happen. Without all of you, we would not be here right now. And a special thanks to Professor Zambrano Paf for her dedicated efforts in making tonight's work.
Sí, muchas gracias a todos y bravo. Esta noche fue espectacular. Adiós.